Jailed for wounding 10 patients, with hundreds more claiming compensation, Ian Paterson has now finally been struck off, and medical authorities are turning their attention to other staff they believe could or should have done more to stop him years earlier.
There are a number of cases that we opened against doctors who'd been working alongside Ian Paterson over the period when he was committing these crimes. Some of those are still ongoing, and so I'm sure you'll recognise I can't comment on those live cases.
Paterson's career came to an end not in a courtroom but in this office building, where a medical tribunal ruled him unfit to ever practice again. This hearing was told that Ian Paterson still hasn't apologised or shown any remorse, and there was a danger that when he eventually leaves prison, if he'd had the opportunity, he might have tried to re-enter medicine, posing a serious risk to patients. Leslie Cuthbert is among the patients preparing a High Court case for damages. She wants the full picture to emerge.
It's a lot harder knowing how many people were affected. It's gone on for so many years, and he should have been stopped long before now.
Concerns were raised by Paterson's colleagues in 2003, but the General Medical Council weren't contacted until 2010, and that was by a patient. Leslie's lawyer says that as Paterson wasn't classed as an employee of the private hospitals, and because he broke the law, normal medical insurance might not pay out.
So it's a legal loophole. You know, this needs to be looked into, this needs to be addressed. And also private hospitals, if they fail to take action against doctors where they know there are concerns about those doctors and allow patients to come onto their premises and be operated on, they need to be held responsible for that. There needs to be an extension of that legal liability.
The civil case comes to court later this year. Next week, the appeal court will consider increasing Paterson's 15-year sentence on the grounds that it was too lenient. Peter Lane, 5 News.